Hi everyone. I wanted to talk to you about an extremely important topic that's dear to me, and that is embracing our imperfections. Even though I am a cosmetic surgeon, I'm a cosmetic dermatologist, and I have a passion for making people feel better by making them look better. One of the consistent things that I see is the damage that social media does to our young individuals. Social media basically is a tool where people can actually utilize filters to basically put their best face forward. And a lot of images that appear on social media are actually not the real images. Filters can actually do a lot of damage in a sense that for the young person who's impressionable, assume that everyone's perfect, they have perfect skin with minimal pores, no wrinkles, no acne, no scars. And that is far from the truth. And I find that that actually causes so much psychological damage. And I wanted to just share with people that I think it's so important to embrace our imperfections. We're not perfect. We all have asymmetries. We all have scars. We all have maybe large pores. And that is healthy and that is normal. I am happy to help people achieve their best look. But I also think it's important to just really embrace our face, our body, our physique, and just be happy with what we have. And if there's something we can do to make it better, by all means, that's wonderful. I just can tell you that all these celebrities that sort of showed their images, they're all touched, they're all basically filtered, and that is not real. Hopefully that is helpful to you. Thank you.